Bengaluru's own golfer Aditi Ashok is the latest among India's female athletes carrying the hopes of returning with a medal for the country. Hello and welcome to the Tokyo Dispatch. I'm Sandeep Menon and here's a look at the day's headlines. Aditi Ashok remains in contention for India's maiden Olympic medal in golf. Indian women's hockey team signs off fourth after a narrow loss to Great Britain. Bajrang Punia falters in semi-final to fight for bronze on Saturday. As always, the medal tally appears at the end of the video, so do stick around for that. On to our biggest story of the day. Indian golfer Aditi Ashok returned 3 under 67 and held on to the second spot, making sure that she is in a good position to secure the country's first ever Olympic medal in the sport. After 3 rounds, Aditi has shot 12 under 201. She is 3 strokes behind leader Nelly Korda of the US and 2 ahead of 4 players who share the third spot. Interestingly, the tournament is facing possible interruption and final round could even be cancelled because a tropical storm is forecast for the weekend. The organizers are trying their best to ensure they can finish the final round, but if that's not possible, the third round results hold good and Aditi wins silver. A storm is brewing. Will there be a silver lining? Indian women's hockey team was living their personal Chak De India, but fate, it would seem, is cruel. A narrow 3-4 loss to Great Britain may have snatched their dreams of a maiden Olympic medal, but they definitely showed the nation what they're made of. The brave-hearted athletes did record their best ever finish at the Games. The team surpassed all expectations by entering the semi-finals and did so with heart on their sleeves and sweat on the hockey sticks. This team is greater than the sum of its parts. I can't wait for Akshay Kumar to play the role of Dutch coach Sjoerd Marijn in again Chak De India. Bajrang Punia lost the men's freestyle 65 kg semi-final to 3-time world champion Haji Aliyev. His weakness against leg attacks was well known and Aliyev probably knew it better than most and took advantage of it at key moments in the contest. Bajrang will now fight for a bronze medal on the penultimate day of the Olympics. Debutant Seema Bisla lost to Tunisia's Sarah Hamdi in the opening round. The Indian 4x400 meter relay team broke the Asian record but failed to qualify for the final round by a whisker. The quartet of Mohammad Anas, Tom Noah Nirmal, Rajiv Arokia and Amol Jacob clocked 3 minutes 0.25 seconds to finish 4th in the second heat and 9th overall. They beat Qatar's record of 3 minutes 0.56 seconds. Now let's move on to the best of the international events. It's a year for Italians. After winning the Euros, the Azzurris have lit up the sprint events at Tokyo. The Italians produced a stunning performance to win the men's 4x100 meter relay for the first time in their history with a national record of 37.50 seconds. They pipped Great Britain right at the line, while Canada won bronze thanks to Andre De Grasse's spectacular effort. In the women's event, the all-star team of Jamaica took the top prize, and with that, Elaine Thompson-Herah won the 3rd gold in Tokyo. They ran a national record time of 41.02 seconds. The United States took silver and Britain won bronze. Joshua Cheptegei made up for his silver in the 10,000 meter by winning the gold in the 5,000 meter. The 24-year-old Ugandan world record holder timed 12 minutes 58.15 seconds. Canada's Mohamed Ahmed won silver, while USA's Paul Chelimo finished 3rd. Shawnee Miller-Vivo of the Bahamas successfully defended her Olympic 400 meter crown and did so much easily this time than her famous headlong dive over the line in Rio. The 27-year-old clocked 48.36 seconds. Melody Paulinho of the Dominican Republic took silver and Allyson Felix of the United States claimed bronze. Felix is now the most decorated female athlete in track and field history with 10 medals across 5 Olympic campaigns. British cyclist Laura Kenny won her 5th Olympic gold medal, powering to a victory alongside Katie Archibald in the first women's Madison at the Games. Kenny and Archibald won 10 of their 12 sprints to finish on 78 points, 43 clear of Denmark, who took the silver. Her 6th medal overall brings her level with Charlotte Dujardin as Britain's most decorated female Olympic athlete. That's a wrap of today's action, but there's plenty for tomorrow. Neeraj Chopra will compete in the javelin throw finals with the whole nation hoping for the youngster to bring back a medal. His performance in the qualification round and some big names missing out in the final adds a little more to those hopes. Favourites United States take on France in the gold medal basketball game. Bajrang Punia will battle for a bronze medal. And finally, before we go, here's a medals tally. With that, we wind up the day's action. We'll be back with all the updates tomorrow. For the latest action, make sure to log on to DeccanHerald.com and download the app for the notifications.